Hey you all! Thank you for purchasing the Influance Keratin Straightening System. These are the steps you will need to complete the process. Step 1. Thoroughly cleanse the hair with our sulfate-free Keratin System Clarifying Shampoo. Infused with honey, avocado oil, and sea moss, this will get rid of any product buildup and clean the hair without stripping it of its natural oils. Step 2. Apply our smoothing mask for up to 10 minutes under our Influance Ozone Micro Mist Hair Steamer. A steamer is not required, however, it's recommended for optimal results. This mask will soften the cuticle, strengthen, and protect the hair. After the mask is fully processed, you will then thoroughly rinse the fusion mask, towel blot the hair, and part into 4 uniformed sections. Step 3. Now it's time to apply our smoothing foam. In 1/4 subsection partings, you will apply our foam, never combing sections together to avoid using too much product. Keep in mind the length and density of each client receiving the treatment. This will help you gauge how much product you should use. Again, this will ensure you do not overprotein the hair. Step 4. After fully applying the smoothing foam, mist each section once with the fusion spray. This lightweight sealant will help lock in the protein and add shine. After spraying each section once, allow the treatment to process for 20 minutes. After the timer goes off, blow dry each section thoroughly. The blow dry is the first part of sealing the protein into the hair. Once the blow dry is complete, flat iron each section in 1/4 subsection partings, 3 to 5 times for each section. This is the second and final process in sealing the protein into the hair cuticle, eliminating frizz and ensuring a silky smooth finish. Step 5. Finish with our fusion oil. 1 drop is all you need. Less is more. Now your client can enjoy up to 12 weeks of sleek perfection. Congratulations! You have completed the steps of the Influance Keratin Straightening System.